shed is under repair. And look at that.
Is that big enough in you?
Going to change our
I'll see why I won't. It won't be pressure. Yeah. Look at it.
they jack it up. Put it up. So it's higher now. Oh, it's really cold. Oh my gosh, my nose. It was down because there are a lot of water that passed by here. So that's the reason why they will repair our shed. So I will show you how it look like when it's all done. Because of, as you can see also, see it's, as you can see, that's see the nail is out in here. See, it was open, unlike the rest, it's not. So here they will check all of that. So they jack it up. You see it's rotten, and I think they're going to do something with it.
And the rest of it go in there. Yeah, let's do that.
Let's not get too far.
Yeah, I know we got that. That's right.
That's it. That's our shed. We'll show you later. I'm preparing also some drinks for them here. This is what they're using, I think, to jack it up. And this is it. And I'm preparing some coffee for them. Here's some coffee for them because it's too cold. So they need something to warm their body. These are the drinks. They can choose what flavor they want. They have here. So I hope they will be fine. If they get hungry, they will. It's on again. Or if they are hungry, they will just tell me. I'm ready to give them some food, especially if it's too cold today. Yay! It's almost done. Oh, managid ang mong shed. Wait, look at Kuya. He is playing in there. Oh, nang-melt na ang mga ano. Tulo-tulo na. Soon that will be done. Yeah. Man among shed. Oh, Kuya slide by himself in there. Hmm? You want to go outside? Hmm? We're building a ramp in our shed so that our mower can just go up fast. I will show you all when it's done. We will make video. Wow, look at that. Our shed is almost done. You have a very nice ramp, Daddy. I see it.
What?
You have a very nice ramp. Our neighbor seems throwing something.
What? Neighbor's what?
He is throwing an salt in their road.
No.
Our neighbor. Don't move, no. Don't move.
Come on, let's go. Wait, we can wait a little bit.
We'll wait a minute so that it's not that hot. Wait a minute because it's for that.
It'll cool down a little bit.
Yeah. Wow, Daddy, look at that thing that you bought. It's really big. I'm sure it hold. We call it bisagra. The one.
Bisagra?
The 6 things that you bought at the Home Depot before we.
Oh, the hinges?
Yeah. We call it bisagra. That's nice, Daddy. That's big. Look, it really holds that much. And look at your ramp. It's very nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be a lot nicer than it was.
Oh, yeah. So that's all that they needed to do, Daddy? The ramp and the...
Yeah. In the floor.
And the floor.
And they did the wall, the thing. The whole shed's got to be painted this spring. But it'll be dry. The more it'll be dry, and I can.
The more it's good.
It.
Oh,
I'll get hot up here and caulk it good for me.
wow. Oh, look at that. These are nice. That's the only thing, and they're done. And they're done after that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
The door popping out, though, I think.
Yeah, it is. That's why they're trying to fix it. But they did a good job also with the ramp. Look, it looks stronger. They need to put also the lock, right? Did you buy a new lock
No,
for
they got
that?
the old lock.
It's melting. Look, it's melting already.
Yeah, thank God it's melting.
Yeah, my love.
Even that video.
Yeah, but the internet is gone, so I just video. Wow. Yeah.
Where did we hit?
There.
Post?
Yeah. Ah.
Get the doors
Keep cool. Look. Wow. Somebody melt this because there are some places that have no water. So they melt the snow for their drinks. You need to wear, yeah, and then the warm clothes. Warm jacket, go.
think they won. You couldn't see how I couldn't do that. You better get something out of that little picture you got in your body. You don't need it. When you pick up on it, that ball collect one. Yeah, you don't have to. Yeah, you're right. Move this side. Here.
I got it.
You got to do it.
Yeah, it's melting now. Yeah. Hi, Kuya. Yeah, you can still create the ball.
Can I touch the...
Yeah. Yeah, but there are ice already.
I know, in the bottom here.
Sipa-sipa na lang.
Oh, shit. Mommy.
Ayaw dara pang taglay.
I want you to...
Nawa, nag-down na gid siya.
I know, that's a good thing for Daddy.
Yeah. Dito ka, og sila di. Hi, Daddy. Eh. It really melt. Even the road that is very slick, like you will slide, it's not anymore.
An asphalt take that heat quicker than anything.
Look, their houses are still have a lot of snow.
Because it's on the north side.
Ah, ours.
In front of our house on the north side.
Yeah. Anak nak. Apa? Wait kay ibang picture ta duwa. These are the rotten see that these are the rotten materials that the people change from our shed. So what? You can really tell it's really rotten. That's why we change on it. See all of this. That's why we need to replace it. See, these are still new. That's what I am thinking. Why is it that my husband did not keep this? This one also is new. See, it's all new. It's good if he did that, because so that next time we don't need to buy a new one. And this one is not new. This one is the new one. And this one. This board also is new. Just throw the new one. Well, anyway, my husband don't want to keep anything. That's how they are here. That's it. That's the reason why we replace those things in our shed, because it's rotten.